As soon as I hit 250,000 subscribers, I am going to give away a car. No matter where you are in the country, I'm gonna come drop it off, and I'll be giving you guys driving lessons. Let's go learn wheelies. You said you don't care about the rear fender? Scared to fall back. I need to just quit thinking about it.
Just fall back. It's not that bad. Just gotta loop her back one time. It doesn't hurt. You're on like a cushion right now too.
We're in Las Vegas, victory lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. A heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if you either win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dak, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first,
the bumper
you're last.
Kind of good there,
You know,
my guy.
What I'm talking about? That phrase, trademark, not produced Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing. Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe.
Hop a lot.
I ain't gonna lie, this is the most feminine car. Oh god, the horn made it so much worse. So on Sunday when I went dirt bike riding, first off, hold on, pause. The reason this guy hasn't been dirt bike riding is because he has a job. This man has like 2 days out of the month off. But yeah, that's the reason he hasn't been riding dirt bikes with us. But when he has a day off, he's for sure coming. He has street tires, but we're looking for some dirt tires for him. So if you got dirt tires or dirt wheels for a 50, let me know something. But anyway, last weekend when we went dirt bike riding, I got blasted with poison oak. Look at this. Look at this. That shit. Terrible. Terrible. Look on this arm too. But yeah. Anyway, we're gonna figure out what's wrong with this. It does have a brand new carburetor in it, so we're thinking that the jets are the wrong size. We're gonna order a jet kit, try and figure out if it's getting too much fuel or too less fuel. We're gonna figure out what's wrong with the 230, but for now, quick announcement to the channel. As soon as I hit 250,000 subscribers, I am going to give away a car. It's going to be rear-wheel drive with a welded differential. No matter where you are in the country, I'm going to come drop it off. You could be in Idaho, Texas, wherever. This fool's coming with me.
I gotta ask for the dates off now.
But yeah, wherever you guys are, all you have to do is be subscribed. We might come out with some merch that is like specific to the giveaway. So you're gonna have to buy, probably gonna have to buy a shirt or whatever. But most likely every $5 in merch that you purchase is gonna be an entry towards the car. But yeah, it's gonna be a runner, it's gonna be rear wheel drive, and it's gonna be ready to slide. And I will drop it off anywhere in the country, no matter where you are, no matter what state or city. And I'll be giving you guys driving lessons. So from a professional, remember. But yeah, you'll be getting driving lessons from me. We'll do donuts, figure eights. Maybe if you guys are doing good during the lessons, we'll maybe hit an on-ramp or two. We'll see. But yeah, quick announcement for you guys. 250,000 subscribers. We're almost halfway there. So as soon as we hit that, someone will be getting the car. So make sure you're subscribed. So this is what they got my boy in.
Look at this shit.
Pull up, change your tire, give you a jump start. Got you hopping out in the most buckets.
Someone took the truck before me.
Oh yeah. Let's insert a little picture of what happened to the last truck.
I'll send it to you. Oh my god.
Someone took it for a joyride. Might have lit it on fire. I don't know. Yeah, big Prius, man. It's got the hand e-brake too, huh?
It do.
You might have to rip her one time.
Bro, I be flooring it like to the floor. This shit don't go over 50.
Oh my god. Quick launch in the Prius.
This is to the floor, okay?
So bro had to go back to work. He had a couple jump starts to get to, but yeah, like I was saying, 250,000 subscribers. We're gonna do a giveaway no matter where you're at. So make sure that you pay attention for when I announce that we're dropping the merch to be able to enter the giveaway. You obviously need to be subscribed to enter the giveaway. That's for one. And then 2, we're gonna drop some merch, probably a t-shirt, cheap t-shirt that's gonna have something to do with the car on it. I'm not sure what type of car it's gonna be, but it's gonna be rear-wheel drive. It's gonna be able to swing. I'm not sure if I should get a manual car or an automatic car because not a lot of people know how to drive stick, but obviously a manual car would be easier to swing, but who knows? We'll figure it out once that time comes. We still got a lot of subscribers to get to, so make sure you share my page, tell your aunt, uncle, grandma to subscribe to so we can get to that 250. As soon as we get to that 250, we'll announce the winner. Anyway, like you guys saw in the last couple videos, got some parts for sale. I'm gonna go sell the grill today. I tried to ship out the diffuser in this box. Guess how much they wanted to ship this box? It's light as hell. There's only a plastic diffuser in there that's like not even 2 pounds. So to ship this box that weighs less than 5 pounds, they wanted $200, which is something I'm not gonna pay for a $50 part. Doesn't make sense. So I still have the rear diffuser for sale. It's just packed and ready to go. Still have the springs, still have the headlight and the airbox. Grill sold, and I still have the rotors. But you damn near have to be in the Bay Area to buy any of this because shipping is way too much money right now. First class shipping for this, so it'd be first day, is $400, and this is the lightest. Look, the lightest box in history. It doesn't make sense. Anyway, let me know if you guys are in the Bay Area, need any of these parts besides the grill. I'm actually about to head up and go sell this right now, but yeah, if you need the airbox, diffuser, springs, let me know. So I'm about to head up and go sell that grill real quick, and then I'm about to go meet up my boy Rob and then try to learn how to wheelie this 110. Last time I was dragging my feet a bunch, but since then I've been getting a lot more comfortable, so hopefully I don't bust my ass too many times, but I'm sure it's gonna happen. But yeah, we're about to go meet up at an undisclosed location and go practice these wheelies on the 110 because I gotta get this shit down. I can't be dragging my feet, you know. I gotta get this, I gotta get the 12 o'clocks on lock. Shout out bro, he just came and grabbed that Hellcat grill. About to upgrade from the 392 grill. He is gonna Hellcat swap his 392 as well, so once he's done with that, we'll probably throw that on the channel, get a video in with him, because I haven't seen too many people Hellcat swap the 392, so that'll be pretty cool. But anyway, about to go meet up with my boy Rob, get on these 110s, and hopefully not loop out and break nothing. Random ass Skyline. He wet. Right-hand drive. Pulled up at my boy Rob's house, about to wash this thing down real quick because this shit is no joke. It probably doesn't, nah, it looks kind of bad on camera, but in person, it looks 10 times worse. It's like blistered up and shit. Some simple green on her, some dish soap. She'll be good to go, ready to rip.
I want that oak. I already had it in my butt this week.
Pulled up at the undisclosed location. Big ass parking lot. Gonna try to see if I can wheelie something. There is a cop sitting up at the top of the hill, but if we stay in this parking lot, I don't think we'll get fucked with.
Fuck them.
We'll see. You said you don't care about the rear fender?
Thing's torched.
Thing's a little crispy. So if I break it, buy another rear fender. Not that big of a deal. Let's go learn wheelies. Try not to loop this thing out, huh? It might happen, but
It's gonna happen.
show me how it's done. For some reason I keep leaning to one side, so it, like, you know, makes me do that. All the way.
I'm gonna play with the fucking...
Yeah, because I'll lean to one side and then just get scared and fucking
You just gotta
drop the
stay
throttle.
in it. I mean, there'll be a point where your front wheel starts to fall too. You can just lean back a little further. It won't, I mean, yeah, it'll go back on you. It's gonna happen. You were there.
Like lean left. So I think I'm gonna need to lean more right or something.
Use your legs.
So what, kick the right one out if I'm leaning left?
Yeah, you use your legs as like balance, you know what I mean? Like swing this one off the bike, it'll lean your balance point of the bike this way, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you open your other leg, it takes your balance point of your bike that way.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The balance point of every motorcycle is like where it comes to a point, like that's your center of gravity.
Okay.
So like when you see fucking hitting supercross and shit, when their legs are like all the way up the fuck here, because that's where your center of gravity is. You want to stay as balanced as possible. So when your legs are up there, you're just changing your center of gravity, you know what I mean?
Okay.
If you're starting to lean left, you change your center of gravity right. That's why when you see me moving around, yeah, I'm fucking floppy leg as fuck most of the time. I'm not the smoothest with it, but there you go.
Center a little too hard. Do a wheelie in front of his ass.
Yeah, no.
As you can see, she's a ripper, 110. I'm just scared. That's the only thing. I'm just scared.
Yeah, it was us. We were street racing. Street racing 110s. Shit, we might as well just go over the truck now if we're gonna go over there.
Yeah.
We can do the same thing right here anyway.
Nice.
He's like, not today.
All right.
He's hopping back on, show me how it's done. Huh, puppy?
Still going.
See what I mean? I follow the side, same thing.
Yeah.
It's just, you gotta lean out of it and keep giving it gas.
Okay. To the top.
Woo! Woo!
Quick break. Fucking arm. Getting tired. How the fuck do you be doing this, Sea Bear? What the fuck? Not happening.
It's got a little pilot inside of it.
I wonder how much that thing is. Probably not cheap. Probably not cheap, that's for sure.
Too much money.
Alright. See if we get 12 o'clock this thing, huh?
Dude, you look like a cheetah. Look at your arms. Oh my god.
Fucking over it.
No more rolling around in the bushes.
Alright, new spot. Gotta watch the rail. Rail right in the middle. That's not sketchy at all. To the top. Try it on the grass?
Yeah, fucking go all the way up on the grass.
Scared to fall back. I need to just quit thinking about it.
Just fall back. It's not that bad. It's like the most frustrating thing fucking ever too.
Yeah, it is. It's right there. You gotta fucking stay.
Just gotta loop her back one time. It doesn't hurt.
Yeah.
You're on like a cushion right now too. This guy just went down.
It hurts when the bike lands on your fucking foot. Ow.
Yeah, because he's got poison oak so bad he can't wear a regular t-shirt.
Got some super Karens trying to save the day. Foot hurts. Super Karen saving the day, making sure this beautiful pristine grass doesn't get fucked up. Oh god, yes, I need a haircut. Quick comment in that. I just don't have time. Anyway, looped her pretty good. Crushed my foot, but it's not bad at all. We'll come back out tomorrow or some other day. I'm getting a little bit better at wheelies. Definitely a lot better than when I first started, but this shit's hard. Hard to record them. What'd she say?
She said, can you not do that on the hill, please? And I said, oh, that's how I walk my dog. My legs are broken. And she said, oh my God, I'm so sorry. Keep on your day, sir. They'll be closing the parking gates pretty soon. And I was like, oh.
Okay. It wasn't
She was trying to Karen though.
She had a little Karen in her blood.
If I would have started walking or something, she wouldn't have believed it.
The grass on the pipe is hella funny.
Oh man, I didn't even see that.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. That's why I looped it. All right, just got done trying to learn wheelies. Looped out, kind of crushed my foot a little bit. It's all good though. We'll probably come back out tomorrow or later on this week. Try and get it down. I'm a lot more comfortable than I was before, but that shit's just scary. Once you get to that point, it's like I try to just drop the throttle or I'll slam the back brake. I just got to get comfortable with that balance point. But that's pretty much the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell, thumbs up, all that stuff. Go down below to helloclothing.com, grab you some merch, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Doses.